Hey everybody, Dave here. Today we're changing the oil in the Yamaha XT250. Should be pretty fun. This is a 2021. I did buy a magnetic drain plug if you want to do that. A little cheap insurance, and it's kind of beat up over here. We have three types of sockets. We have a 12mm for the drain plug, for the standard drain plug. We have a 14mm for the cover up here, and then we have a 17mm for the new drain plug. Let's get to it. So I bought a Tusk line oil filter for it. It's 1154930011, if you care. Wow, you have to be really careful. I do not want to put it that tight. This is aluminum, and you got a steel bolt into aluminum threads, so it's really easy to strip it. I will not make it that tight when I tighten it back up. Here we go. Okay, that's our 12mm. Let's get our 14mm. Loosen this guy up top. That one's a lot easier. Looks pretty good. It's got an O-ring on it. We're not replacing O-rings today. I don't think we need to. Oh, we also need to take the filter out. So the filter is this guy up here. There's 3 bolts on it. Oh, one of these bolts is not like the other. Look at that. This filter is idiot proof. You can only put it in one way. So this direction right here, see how there's a little hole in there? That's going to go inside this little piece right here. So we've got this O-ring here. I think we might put a little something on the O-ring. I'm going to just re-dip this in oil. I'll just use the old oil, it's fine. I am going to take some waterproof grease and just put it along this O-ring. One more thing we need to be aware of, there's a little, see this little gasket right here? Make sure you don't lose that gasket. I'm going to put a little grease on that gasket as well. Now this, you'll see that little hole where that O-ring goes, and we'll stick it back on here. That's pretty simple. You're gonna feel a little bit of pressure as everything kind of seats okay. So this is what I'm doing. I'm very gently, I'm tightening it down to where it seats everywhere, where it's just seated. I'm not doing any tightening yet. So I can feel that that's seated, that that's seated, and that that's seated. And I'm just gonna give it the tiniest little twist just to tighten it up there. Again, aluminum threads, do not want to strip that. That's all it needs, easy peasy, we're done. All right, we've got our new drain bolt. It works great. So link in the description if you want a magnetic drain plug, just a little bit extra insurance. And I'm gonna tighten that one down with my 17mm socket. Now we do have a crush washer on here, so we can tighten it up a little bit more than I tightened up these. So it's tight, and then we'll just give it a little tug, and that's it. Don't want to over tighten that either. Oil that I'm using is super easy, just T6. We'll use a, should I use 15 weight or 5 weight? I'll use 15 weight, it's gonna be summer. It's gonna get real hot here. Okay, we're almost to the top of the sight glass. I'm gonna add a little bit more because we're gonna need to saturate that filter. Oops. Hopefully, that's fine. Okay, that's pretty full. Alright, so we're standing straight up. And you can see the oil's not quite to the top of the sight glass. So I like to be a little bit more full, especially because I'm going to be off-road. I'm going to be climbing hills. I need to have a decent amount of oil in here. I'd rather be a little bit too full than a little bit not full enough, I think. Actually, don't know. I don't know what's actually better, but I'm going to fill it up a little bit more. A little bit more oil. There we go. Okay, now we're nice and full. Very top of the sight glass. Alright, so we got our oil change on the 2021 XT250. Thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.